Good morning, students. Today, our topic is polyembryony and its importance. Polyembryony has been defined as the occurrence of more than one embryo in a seed, as its name indicates. Poly means many, embryony means embryo. Polyembryony includes all those instances in which there is a clear indication of actual occurrence of two or more embryos or proembryo in a developing ovule. Polyembryony occurs only as an abnormal feature. The first case of polyembryony was reported in certain orange seeds by Antony von Leeuwenhoek in 1719. Brown in 1859 gave the survey of 58 cases of polyembryony as recorded in the botanical literature at that time and referred them to four categories on the basis of their origin. Polyembryony in angiosperm may arise by cleavage of proembryo, formation of embryos by cell of the embryo sex other than the egg, development of more than one embryo sac within the same ovule, and activation of some sporophytic cells of the ovule. Number 1 is cleavage polyembryony. The simplest method of an increase in the number of embryo is cleavage or splitting the oospore or proembryo. इसके नाम से भी शो रहा है क्लीवेज यानी कि ब्रेक डाउन. After fertilization, the zygote divide to form a small group of cells which function as independent embryos. हर सेल एक इंडिपेंडेंट एम्ब्रियो जैसा काम करेगी and this is quite common in pinus or in some angiosperm as some orchids. Swami in 1943 recorded 3 different modes of embryo formation. Number 1 is zygote divides irregularly to form a mass of cells of which those lying towards the chelazal end they grow simultaneously and give rise to many embryos. Second one is the proembryos gives out small buds or outgrowths which function as independent embryos. Number 3, the filamentous embryos become branched and each branch give rise to an embryo. The cleavage polyembryony arises during seed development and it is known in many orchids. The formation of plural embryos during seed germination is known only in Vancula. The apical promeristem of the embryo in this genus divide into a number of Primodia. Number is 3 to 9 and each of which further organizes into an embryo. And this research has been done by Rao, R-A-O, Rao in 1965. Second term is formation of embryo from cells of the embryo sac other than egg. फर्स्ट आपने पढ़ा क्लीवेज पॉलीएम्ब्रियोनी. नेक्स्ट इज formation of embryos from the cells of embryo sac other than egg. Besides the normal zygote, embryo and some embryo may also be formed by other part of the embryo sac. The synergate cells, आपने पढ़ा है synergate, ओव्यूल की आपने स्ट्रक्चर पढ़ा है, उसमें synergate cells होती हैं and they become egg-like and give rise to embryos with or without fertilization. Protection from antipodal is quite rare, but several cases has been reported of the development of the embryo from antipodal cells. Second, embryos organizing from other embryo sac in ovule. Or we can say embryos originating from the other embryo sac in ovule. The polyembryonate condition in some time due to the reoccurrence of the multiple embryo sac within the ovule, and these may arise from either from the derivatives of the same megaspore mother cell or from two or more megaspore mother cell or from cells of nucellus. Several workers found more than one embryo sac in ovule of citrus. Fourth one is activation of some sporophyte cells of the ovule. The development of adventive embryos from the cells of nucellus or integuments in the seeds of citrus and mangifera are well known example of this type of polyembryony. The embryos arise from the maternal sporophyte tissues that is outside the embryo sac and it is called adventive embryos. The only maternal tissues which are known to form adventive embryos are nucellus and integuments. Now The embryo sac, they are gradually pushed into the embryo sac cavity, where they divide and differentiate into mature embryos. The adventive embryos do not show psychotonomous development. A single seed may show embryos at various stages of development. There are some special cases also. In some plants, polyembryony takes place due to the taking part of more than one method mentioned above. Most of the interesting example of this type is Allium odorum, where there are present 5 embryos in a seed. That is, one zygotic embryo, one adventive embryo, one developing from synergids, and one developing from antipodal cells. They are a special type of embryo that is called polyembryos. Now, causes of polyembryony. The causes of polyembryony are not well understood. Some of important views for it is, according to Ernst in 1938, Baker in 1960, and Seska in 1961, hybridization is a main factor leading to the production of plural embryos. Hybridization. Haberland in 1921 and 22, they put forward the neck hormone theory for the explanation of the adventive embryony, polyembryony. According to this theory, the stimulus for cell divisions and proliferation of nuclear embryony or nuclear embryo is furnished by certain substances which are secreted by the degenerating cell of the nucellus. What do you understand? According to this theory, the stimulus for cell division or proliferation of the nuclear embryony or nuclear embryo is furnished by certain substances which are secreted by the degenerating cell of the nucellus. Leroy in 1947 taught that polyembryony in mangoes was caused one or more recessive genes. That was caused by one or more recessive genes. Frusetto et al. In 1957 showed that embryo number in citrus seeds may be influenced by following factors. One of them is age of the tree, increasing in all trees, fruit set being higher in years of higher fruit set, nutritional status of the plant decreasing with reduced food supply, orientation of the branch of the tree being higher on northern than on southern branches. The embryonate condition in some species of citrus has been described to the synthesis and release of certain volatile and non-volatile embryogenic inhibitors in their ovules, which do not occur in the ovules of polyembryonate species. The non-volatile component of the inhibitors has been identified with IAA, IBA and ZB, zebralic acid. It means these inhibitors has been identified with the growth hormones, and which growth hormones? IAA and IBA and zebralic acid ZB.